Makeup is amazing. It lets us be creative. We can express ourselves. It's like painting, but on our faces. With makeup, we can try new looks. We can feel confident and beautiful. It's a fun way to show our personality. Makeup is for everyone. It doesn't matter your age, skin tone, or style. Anyone can enjoy makeup. It's about having fun and feeling good. This essay will help you start your makeup journey. We'll use products from Mars Cosmetics. They are high quality and easy to use, so grab your brushes and let's get started. Mars Cosmetics is a great brand for beginners. They have everything you need. Their products are affordable and long-lasting. Plus, they come in many colors for every skin tone. Mars Cosmetics believes in self-expression. They want you to feel confident. Their products are here to help you shine. They are cruelty-free. This means they don't test on animals. Now that you know about Mars Cosmetics, let's begin our makeup tutorial. Get ready to transform. Before applying makeup, we need to prep our skin. Good skincare ensures our makeup looks flawless. It's like prepping a canvas before painting. First, wash your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes dirt and oil. Then apply a moisturizer. This hydrates your skin and creates a smooth base for makeup. Don't forget sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin from the sun's harmful rays. It prevents wrinkles and sunspots. Let the moisturizer and sunscreen absorb fully before moving on. Section 4. Laying the foundation flawless base with primer, foundation, and concealer. Now, let's create a flawless base. This is the essential first step to any makeup routine, ensuring that your skin looks smooth and even. We'll use 3 key products: primer, foundation, and concealer. Each plays a crucial role in achieving that perfect look. These products work together to even out your skin tone and create a smooth canvas. Start with a primer. Apply a small amount of primer all over your face. This step is crucial as it prepares your skin for the foundation. Primer fills in pores and fine lines, creating a smooth surface. This not only makes your makeup last longer, but also ensures it looks fresh throughout the day. Next, choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. This is important for a natural look. Apply it evenly with a brush or sponge. Both tools have their benefits. Brushes offer precision, while sponges provide a more natural finish. Blend it well into your skin, making sure there are no visible lines or streaks. Foundation covers imperfections and creates an even complexion, giving you a flawless base. Finally, use concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles. This step is essential for a bright and awake look. Apply it sparingly and blend it well. Less is more when it comes to concealer. Concealer brightens up the face and hides any remaining imperfections, leaving you with a radiant and flawless finish. Section 5. Framing your eyes. Eyebrow shaping and filling made easy. Eyebrows frame the face and enhance our features. Let's shape and fill them in for a polished look. Use a spoolie brush to comb your eyebrows upwards. This helps you see their natural shape. Then, use an eyebrow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas. Choose a color that matches your eyebrow hair. Use short, feathery strokes to mimic the look of natural brow hairs. Avoid harsh lines. Finally, use a clear brow gel to set your eyebrows in place. This keeps them looking neat and tidy all day long. Section 6. Eye-catching colors. Mastering eyeshadow application and blending. In this section, we will explore the art of applying and blending eyeshadow to create stunning looks that enhance the natural beauty of your eyes. Eyeshadow adds depth and dimension to our eyes. It can transform a simple look into something truly captivating. Whether you're going for a natural day look or a dramatic evening style, the right eyeshadow application can make all the difference. It comes in endless colors and finishes. From matte to shimmer, satin to metallic, the choices are vast and can be tailored to suit any occasion or mood. Understanding how to use these different finishes can elevate your makeup game. Let's create a simple, everyday eyeshadow look. This look is perfect for work, school, or any casual outing. It's quick, easy, and enhances your natural features without being too bold. Choose 3 eyeshadow shades: a light shade for the brow bone, which will act as a highlight, a medium shade for the eyelid, which will serve as the main color, and a darker shade for the crease, which will add depth and dimension. Start by applying the light shade to your brow bone. This will help to lift and open up your eyes, making them appear larger and more awake. Use a fluffy brush and blend it upwards towards your eyebrow. Blending is key to achieving a seamless look, so take your time to ensure there are no harsh lines. This highlights the brow bone and creates a lifted effect. It also provides a nice contrast to the other shades you'll be applying. Next, apply the medium shade to your eyelid. This will be the main color that ties the look together. Use a flat brush and pat the color onto the lid. Patting rather than sweeping helps to build up the color intensity and ensures it stays in place longer. Blend it upwards towards the crease. This will help to create a smooth transition between the colors and add a bit of depth to your eyes. This adds color and definition to the eyes. The medium shade acts as a bridge between the light and dark shades, creating a cohesive look. Finally, apply the darker shade to your crease. This is where you can add the most depth and dimension. Use a fluffy blending brush and blend it outwards towards the outer corner of your eye. This technique helps to elongate the eyes and create a more dramatic effect. This adds depth and dimension to the eyes. With practice, you'll be able to master these techniques and create beautiful eyeshadow looks for any occasion. Section 7. The finishing touches. Blush, highlighter, and lip color for a natural glow. We're almost done. This is where the magic happens, transforming your look from great to absolutely stunning. Let's add some finishing touches with blush, highlighter, and lip color. These 3 products are essential for achieving that natural, radiant glow that everyone loves. These products add warmth, glow, and a pop of color. They enhance your natural beauty and give your face a healthy, vibrant look. Smile and apply blush to the apples of your cheeks. This technique helps to lift your face and gives you a youthful appearance. Use a fluffy brush and blend it upwards towards your temples. This not only adds color but also contours your face, giving it more dimension. Blush adds a healthy flush of color to the face. It mimics the natural rosiness of your skin, making you look fresh and lively. Next, apply highlighter to the high points of your face. This step is crucial for adding that luminous glow. This includes your cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. These areas catch the light naturally, so highlighting them enhances your features. Highlighter reflects light and creates a radiant glow. It gives your skin a dewy, youthful appearance that looks stunning in any light. Finally, choose a lipstick or lip gloss that complements your look. The right lip color can tie your entire makeup look together. Apply it evenly to your lips. Make sure to follow the natural shape of your lips for the best results. Lip color completes the look and adds a touch of personality. Whether you choose a bold red or a subtle nude, it's the perfect finishing touch to your natural glow.